Everyone, so it's been quite a while since I updated anything about AI. So today I'm going to show you mainly about AI for image. Okay, AI for image. So now, of course, the talk of the town is Chatgpt, right? So we're going to go into Chatgpt. So we're going to go into Chatgpt. So there are a few ways to create. One is you go to image, which you can create here, or you can go to your chat box here, and then you click on create image. It will also appear. Okay, it will also appear. So you can choose, you can either choose anything here, okay, choose your style, or you can do it yourself. So let me give you an example. I'm going to upload an image of myself, and then I'm going to ask it to create an image of this man with 3 mini version of it, of him working on the desk. So it's going to create image for you right now. So while you are waiting for it to create the image, you can actually continue to prompt ChatGPT to create more image for you. So let me give you an example. Create image of the man riding a dragon in the sky. Okay, so we're done. So yeah, you see image of me, and then there's a few mini me doing work for me. Okay, so I think it's quite okay, but not quite up to the standard. I need a better prompt for this. Riding a dragon in the sky also already done. So let's look at it. Yeah, I think this one is quite nice. Me riding a dragon in the sky, just that the face is a bit, a bit too, I think the color is not right. But it's okay. If the color is not right, you can actually ask ChatGPT to edit the color for you. Edit the color of the person to match the image style. Okay, do you see that? Now the color is actually matching the whole image, the style. Okay, if not just now, you look at just now, it's a bit like I paste myself onto the dragon. But now this look a bit more natural already. So that's how you can control your style. Now, besides creating image like this, you can also create comic. Okay, create a comic of the man morning eating breakfast, afternoon eating lunch, night eating dinner. And then remember, you need to tell it how many panels. So we're going to do a 3-panel comic. Did you see that? So it created a 3-panel copy of morning, afternoon, and night sleep. So this is how you play with ChatGPT to create comic. So you can actually use ChatGPT to create more than 10,000 types of images if you want. Now, if you want to join our community, so we have a Facebook community, I'll put the link in the description below. And then for more, remember to subscribe to my channel.